Hey guys, just 1 month away to launch Galaxy S24 series, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is going to be the best camera phone the company ever made. According to the latest leak, the night mode of the Ultra will be improved too much. In the camera department, the phone also comes with quad camera setup in the back, new ISO cell 200 megapixel main sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide and new 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom and 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and the font is come with 12 megapixel selfie camera. Well, the new 200 megapixel mode will be have a AI optimization. The algorithm will recognize 12 kinds of object and will be optimized than better image quality. The primary camera of the S24 Ultra is significantly upgraded, potentially output 24 megapixel photo by default compared to the previous 12 megapixel, but the S23 Ultra does have a 50 megapixel and 200 megapixel option too. So 24 megapixel is a good balance, offering more details than 12 megapixel. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will be the only smartphone in the lineup to exclusively using a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, and Qualcomm already launched a platform with a big promise for a AI option, and it looks like the Ultra will be take a full advanced take of the new feature. The Galaxy S24 also offering a best 8K video in the market. They also have a 5x zoom capable to allow 8K video on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and I am also making a some dedicated video about Galaxy S24 Ultra. Take this video to learn more about Galaxy S24 series. So that's pretty much for today's video, and if you found this video informative, make sure hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching, and as always, see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.